In this video, I'll show you how to fix Gmail not receiving emails. First, check your internet connection and make sure Gmail is syncing properly. Next, check your spam, trash, and promotions folders. Sometimes emails are automatically filtered into these folders instead of your main inbox. You should also check your Gmail storage. If your Google account storage is full, new emails may not be delivered. Open Google One or your Google account storage settings to see how much space is available. If you're using the Gmail app on Android, go to Settings, then Apps, select Gmail, tap Storage, and choose Clear Cache. You can also remove your Google account from the device and add it back again to refresh the connection. Make sure the Gmail app is updated to the latest version from the Play Store or App Store. Finally, ask the sender to verify that they entered your email address correctly and that the message was successfully sent. And that's how to fix Gmail not receiving emails. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.